Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to fix the wireless display install failed error in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to turn off our metered connection. So how we can do so? Please navigate at the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear. Please click on the open option to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So we just have to wait until everything are set here. When once everything are ready, please proceed at the left pane or the left side of that you can see their network and internet. So under here the network and internet, please proceed to the Wi-Fi and select your Wi-Fi properties. The moment you've tapped on it, you will be able to see there the metered connection. All you need to do is you need to proceed to the switched option. Okay, aligning to it, just turn it off. Once you have turned it off, navigate to the next step, and that is you need to proceed to the button search bar and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, okay, in this window. So once the command prompt system would be appearing here, okay, all you need to do is you need to click on run as administrator. So if your user asks you to say yes, proceed yes, so that you can give permission on running the command prompt as administrator. Here you need to paste a command. Don't worry because I'll be including it in the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to press Ctrl V key in the keyboard and click the enter key. The moment you've clicked on it, okay, you just have to wait until the process will be finished. Okay, this will install the wireless display. Okay, so don't close the command prompt system. Okay, don't turn off your computer as well unless you are done. Once you are done, let's say you just have to restart the computer, and the moment you've restarted it, you will be able to see the wireless display in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.